What is a derrick in drilling rig? A derrick is the vertical steel tower on a drilling rig that support the drilling equipment and allows for the handling of drill pipe during drilling operation. Key function of a derrick. Number 1. Lifting and lowering drill pipe. It supports the hoisting system like the drawworks and traveling block, which raises and lowers the drill string into and out of the well. 2. Strolling drill pipe. The derrick has a section called the monkey board, where workers, derrick hands, stack and rack drill pipes or casing vertically during tripping operation, inserting or removing pipe from the hole. Number 3. Supporting heavy loads. It must withstand vertical loads, sometimes hundreds of thousands of pounds during deep drilling operation. Derrick versus mast. Derrick, assembled on site and more permanent. Mast is a prefabricated and can be raised or lowered as a unit, common on mobile rigs. Main components. Number 1, crown block at the top contains pulley for the hoisting system. Second, monkey board platform for derrick hand to guide pipe. 3, guide wires or substructure stabilize the derrick. Imagine a tall metal tower on oil rig. That's the derrick. It's like a crane built into the rig specifically to manage the vertical movement of a pipe. Okay guys, thank you for listening. Please follow and subscribe.